Good morning, everybody. My name is Ivan Costa with GSG.
Hi, I'm Shauna Soom with Hottronics.
And today we're going to be discussing a little bit about heat pressing. While DTF is increasing in demand because of the simplicity of printing on garments, the second part that's missing is the actual heat pressing. And one of the problems is the bottlenecking with high volume occurs. How do I get those shirts pressed and out the door as quickly as possible? Shauna, could you tell us a little bit more about the dual air fusion and how the efficiency process works on that?
Absolutely. The dual air fusion has 2 platen locations and 1 heater. The heater runs off of an air compressor, so while the heater is pressing on one side, the operator is loading garments on the other side. Then this shuttles over and the operator can then load on this side, and this is pressing on that side. This dual air fusion will increase your production capacity 40 to 60%. So if you're doing 100 shirts in a given time period, you'll be able to do about 160 shirts in that same time period. It is one operator essentially operating 2 heat presses.
That's perfect. That's exactly what a lot of people are looking for. A lot of people that are involved in DTF pressing find themselves doing the same pressing over and over again. All that time adds up to money, and the ability to be able to do that quicker at 40-50%, that's a significant savings. Could you tell us a little bit more about the ProPlace IQ projection system and how that works?
Absolutely. It fits in with clear carrier technology, so DTF printing on a clear carrier. The IQ Cloud allows your customer to upload their artwork into the IQ Cloud, and then that artwork is projected onto the platen. So the operator doesn't have to deal with jigs or rulers. They just line the transfer up to the projected image, and when it matches, it is in a perfect placement location.
That's fantastic. That definitely would help with alignment and keeping things straight, which typically happens when you're not on a rush area. Sometimes that can missquare itself off.
It improves quality for your operator, so there's not as many mistakes, so they have fewer mishaps, and those left chest logos that are so difficult to get right.
Definitely.
Get it in the right spot.
Well, great. Thanks again, Sean. I really appreciate the information. If you're looking to get more information about your productivity differences and calculations, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to discuss that with you and look forward to talking to you soon.